So how are you guys doing? My name is Julio Flores. I'm with the Little Guys Fitness. Sometimes we don't know what to eat. Um, we have a lunch, a dinner, snack. So right now I'm just gonna show you a quick lunch plate that you guys can prepare at your house. Really easy. Probably almost take you about 15, 20 minutes to make. It's gonna be tuna with lettuce and some boiled eggs, um, and whatever else you guys wanna get into as condiments for your lunch. So for me, it's gonna be tuna. Um, this kind of tuna right here. This is gonna be probably the best chicken of the sea, chunk like tuna in water. For my condiments, I got some spicy garlic sauce and some mustard. And basically, this is how it's gonna start looking. You shred the lettuce, you put the tuna in there, and when you have your boiled eggs, you also put them in there, which I'm doing right now. They're almost done. But I'll show you the final product, and I mean, it's pretty easy. If you're in a low carb diet, I mean, you can just have the tuna with the lettuce and whatever condiment you want. If and have no bread at all. If you don't you're off season, or you're don't worry about the carbs, you can have a piece of bread with it also, whole wheat bread. But I'll show you right now the final product as soon as I'm done. Alright? Okay, so now we have our boiled eggs. I already peeled them. You can just put them right here. Have the yolk out. If it's really good, just peel them out. Take all the yellow stuff out as well as you can. Just like that. Some are gonna be easier than others, so I'm just gonna be pain in the butt to take out, but like this one, came out pretty good. Put them on your lettuce with your tuna, or if you want to have them on the side, well, it's up to you. That's how you want them. Make sure you don't make a mess. So this one came out pretty good. So completely out. Sometimes you can actually take the whole thing out, the whole little yolk, without even breaking it. Just keep going at it like this until you're done. It depends how many eggs you want also, so you can have 3, 2, or you can have 5, like me. So I'm gonna put my spicy garlic sauce. Sorry. It's for flavoring. Depends how much you want, how spicy you want it to. This one is pretty spicy, so and then my mustard. So you shake it first. Depends also how much you want. And the good thing about mustard is that it has no calories. And even the garlic spicy sauce doesn't have no calories either. It has a little of sodium though, 150 milligrams, but that's not bad. And then you just mix it all together. And there you go. Like I say, you can enjoy it with a piece of bread, whole wheat, like a sandwich. Put it in a sandwich, or just eat it like out of your container. So it's up to you. Whatever you want to do. And this is probably likely about. I'll put it at the end. But it's around probably between 300, 400 calories. A pretty good amount of protein. And depends on how much bread you have. But I'll put it at the end of the video how much total of everything is for you guys, alright? So hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys want to try it, like I said, for me it's really good. Depends what kind of condiments you want to put into it. You can put a little of different stuff for you guys. I mean, it doesn't have to be exactly like this. Alright guys, well thank you, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.